Cairo, a place where the past and present gracefully intertwine, and ancient wonders stand alongside modern marvels. From ancient wonders to cultural gems, Cairo has it all. Today, we're going to unveil the top 10 must-visit places that will leave you in awe. So grab your travel hats and let's embark on this thrilling expedition together. Number 10. The Museum of Egyptian Antiquities. Our first stop takes us to the remarkable Museum of Egyptian Antiquities, a treasure trove of ancient wonders. Get ready to step back in time as you explore the vast collection of artifacts, including the legendary Golden Mask of Tutankhamun. It's an immersive experience that will transport you to the heart of Egypt's rich history and culture. Pro tip: consider hiring a knowledgeable guide to provide in-depth insights into the museum's vast collection and help you navigate through the exhibits efficiently. Number 9. The Nile River. Next on our list is the iconic Nile River, the lifeblood of Egypt. Prepare to be mesmerized by the serene beauty of this legendary waterway as you embark on a Nile cruise. Marvel at the breathtaking views of Cairo's skyline and witness the vibrant local life along the riverbanks. The Nile River truly showcases the soul of Egypt. In ancient Egyptian mythology, the Nile was considered a god named Hapi, and the annual flooding of the river was seen as a divine blessing for the land's fertility. Pro tip: don't miss the chance to take a felucca ride, a traditional Egyptian sailboat, for a more authentic and serene experience on the river. Number 8. Coptic Cairo. Now, let's immerse ourselves in the spiritual wonders of Coptic Cairo. This ancient neighborhood is home to some of the oldest Christian churches in the world. Explore the labyrinthine streets, visit the historic Hanging Church, and soak in the peaceful atmosphere of this sacred place. Coptic Cairo is a testament to Egypt's rich religious heritage. Coptic Cairo is also home to the Coptic Museum, which houses an impressive collection of Coptic art, manuscripts, and religious artifacts that provide insights into the rich history of Christianity in Egypt. The district's narrow streets and alleyways are filled with architectural treasures, including ancient churches, monasteries, and synagogues, representing the diverse religious heritage of the area. Pro tip: take your time to wander through the narrow streets of Coptic Cairo, as you'll stumble upon hidden gems like ancient churches and atmospheric cafes. Number 7. Mosque of Muhammad Ali. Prepare to be dazzled by the breathtaking Mosque of Muhammad Ali, a true architectural masterpiece. As you ascend to its elevated location in the Cairo Citadel, you'll be rewarded with panoramic views of the city. Step inside and marvel at the intricate details, magnificent domes, and ornate decorations. The Mosque of Muhammad Ali is a true testament to Egypt's Islamic heritage. Pro tip: dress modestly when visiting the mosque, as it is a place of worship. Women should cover their shoulders and wear long skirts or pants. Number 6. Manial Palace Museum. Get ready to be transported to a world of opulence and grandeur at the Manial Palace Museum. This hidden gem showcases the lavish lifestyle of the Egyptian royal family. Admire the stunning architecture, stroll through the picturesque gardens, and explore the impressive collection of art and artifacts. It's a place where history and beauty converge. Pro tip: take a guided tour of the palace to fully appreciate its intricate architecture and learn fascinating stories about the royal family. Number 5. Cairo Citadel. Our next stop takes us to the majestic Cairo Citadel, a fortress that has witnessed centuries of history. As you wander through its impressive structures and fortifications, you'll be immersed in the tales of sultans and warriors. Don't miss the chance to visit the Mosque of Sultan Hassan and the Mosque of Al-Rifai within the Citadel's grounds. Cairo Citadel is a true testament to the city's medieval heritage. Pro tip: combine your visit to the Citadel with a stop at the nearby Sultan Hassan Mosque and Al-Rifai Mosque to make the most of your time in the area. Number 4. Khan al-Khalili. No visit to Cairo is complete without exploring the bustling Khan al-Khalili Bazaar. Lose yourself in its winding alleys, filled with vibrant colors, aromatic scents, and the lively sounds of local merchants. From traditional crafts to exquisite jewelry, this vibrant marketplace offers a sensory feast for all. Khan al-Khalili is renowned for its intricate architecture, with labyrinthine alleys and hidden courtyards that add to its enchanting atmosphere. The bazaar offers an extensive range of products, from traditional handicrafts and exquisite jewelry to spices, textiles, and beautiful handmade carpets. It's a paradise for those seeking unique souvenirs and authentic Egyptian treasures. Don't forget to savor some authentic Egyptian street food while you're here. Pro tip: practice your bargaining skills when shopping in Khan al-Khalili. Prices are often negotiable, so don't be afraid to haggle for a better deal. Number 3. Zamalek, Jazeera Island. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city and discover the tranquil oasis of Zamalek, also known as Jazeera Island. Known for its lush greenery and serene atmosphere, Zamalek is often referred to as the Garden City of Cairo. This charming neighborhood is nestled on the banks of the Nile and offers a peaceful retreat amidst lush gardens. Take a leisurely stroll along the tree-lined streets, explore the art galleries, and indulge in the delightful waterfront cafes. Zamalek is a true haven for relaxation and rejuvenation, allowing you to unwind and recharge amidst the beauty of Cairo. Pro tip: explore the art galleries and boutique shops in Zamalek to discover unique Egyptian artwork and souvenirs. Number 2. Al-Azhar Mosque. Let's now venture into the heart of Islamic Cairo and discover the magnificent Al-Azhar Mosque. This historic mosque, dating back to the 10th century, is not only a place of worship but also a renowned center of Islamic learning. Marvel at the intricate architecture, soak in the serene ambience, and witness the devotion of worshippers. Al-Azhar Mosque is a true reflection of Egypt's Islamic heritage. Pro tip: plan your visit during non-prayer times to explore the mosque's intricate architecture and peaceful atmosphere more freely. Number 1. The Pyramids of Giza. Our final stop takes us to the Pyramids of Giza. These iconic structures are more than just colossal piles of stones. They are a gateway to the mysteries of ancient Egypt. Standing before the Great Pyramid of Khufu, you'll feel a connection to the past that's simply indescribable. Did you know that the Great Pyramid of Giza, built for Pharaoh Khufu, held the title of the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years? It stood at an awe-inspiring 146.6 meters, 481 feet, until the construction of the Lincoln Cathedral spire in England in the 14th century. Imagine the sheer engineering genius and craftsmanship required to create such an enduring marvel in ancient times. The Pyramids of Giza truly defy the sands of time, standing as a testament to the boundless ingenuity of humanity throughout the ages. We hope this video journey has sparked your wanderlust and inspired you to embark on your own Cairo adventure. Remember to embrace the local culture, try the delicious cuisine, and create lasting memories along the way. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel guides and inspiring content.